Hello, today I will be showing you how to create a blog using bloggers.com. So you will go here and you will click the web box, there you will type in Google. You'll go to this box and you will type in bloggers. There you will see that this is the website up here. You don't want to scroll down because those are other things that will not take you to the right website. So right here you will click sign in, which is in your top right hand corner. This is where you will choose the account. Most people have Google accounts. If you don't have a Google account, you will be able to use another account, but I have a Google account, so it takes me straight there. You will type in your password. And it takes you straight to your blog. If you don't have one yet, you will it will say where you could make a new blog right here. I already made one, so I won't be making a new blog, but you can click new blog and it'll show you where you can put the title that you want your blog to be called and how you want it to be laid out, the theme of it, and so forth. Right here, this is where you will make a new post. All you have to do is type whatever you're feeling. I had a great day today, exclamation point, and you will go up here and this is where you will either save, but you don't have to save because like you just saw it automatically save for me, but you can publish it to your page. And when you scroll all the way down, this is how you view your blogs, how many comments you have, how many people have seen it, the date you posted it. But this is the fun part. Scroll back up and you click view your blog. This is my blog, so you can make it look however you want. I'm going to go back and show you how I did that. So you just go right here to layout and theme. Go to theme and scroll down and it shows you how mine is already looked. But you can scroll down further and see how many different things that they have already on there for you. You can also customize it to make it look exactly how you want it to look if those aren't what you're looking for. So you're gonna go back to view blog. I had a great day today. Today is May 1st, 2019. Blah. Being a college student is so hard. I don't understand this stuff. Today was horrible.